In today's video, we're diving into a topic that has brought shockwaves across the internet. We are going to discuss Bill Gates' AI predicting the new pandemic. It's not a topic to take lightly, and it's something that could impact all of us in the near future. Bill Gates, the tech mogul and philanthropist, has been at the forefront of global health initiatives for years. From fighting diseases like malaria to working on vaccination programs, Gates has been involved in some of the most important health crises of our time. But now, he's warning us about something much bigger, a pandemic that could hit in 2025. You may be thinking, why should we believe this prediction? Or, how can an AI predict something like a pandemic? Well, this isn't just any random guess. Gates and his team have used artificial intelligence, which is capable of processing vast amounts of data, to forecast trends and outcomes. It's no longer science fiction. AI is used today in multiple industries, including healthcare, and it has the potential to predict large-scale events, like pandemics, if given the right data. Let's take a closer look at what this prediction means, how Bill Gates' AI came to these conclusions, and why we should all be paying attention. And then stay tuned till the end, where we'll discuss exactly when this predicted pandemic might hit, and what you can do to prepare for it. Before we get into the AI prediction, let's briefly talk about why Bill Gates is even making this prediction. Bill Gates is one of the wealthiest people on the planet, but more importantly, he's dedicated much of his wealth and influence to improving global health. Through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, he's been involved in tackling various health crises around the world. He has long been an advocate for improving healthcare systems, especially in underdeveloped countries. His foundation has helped combat diseases like polio, malaria, and HIV/AIDS, and it has played a huge role in global vaccination efforts. Gates has also been vocal about the possibility of future pandemics. In fact, in a 2015 TED Talk, he warned the world about the risks of a global pandemic, stressing the need for better preparation and response systems. At the time, few people took his warnings seriously. However, the COVID-19 pandemic changed that, and Gates' warnings gained more attention. Now, let's talk about the AI itself. Artificial intelligence has become a powerful tool in healthcare and many other industries. The AI that Bill Gates is using is designed to analyze patterns and trends in various types of data. In the case of a pandemic prediction, this means looking at data on infectious diseases, global health systems, climate change, human behavior, and more. It also considers factors like population density, travel patterns, and the rise of antibiotic resistance. The AI uses this data to create models and simulate different scenarios. Think of it like a super powerful crystal ball that doesn't guess, but instead analyzes the facts. With enough data, the AI can predict how diseases might spread, where they might originate, and how fast they could become global. What's important to understand is that this AI isn't making predictions just based on guesswork. It's using real, scientifically backed data to form its conclusions. The predictions made by this AI are based on probabilities, which means that while it's not guaranteed to be 100% accurate, the data suggests that there's a high chance of these outcomes happening if things continue as they are. Now, let's get into the prediction itself. According to Bill Gates and his AI, there is a strong possibility of a pandemic hitting the world in 2025. But why 2025? That's an important question, and the answer lies in a combination of factors. First, let's talk about the way viruses spread. In recent years, we've seen how quickly viruses can move across the globe, thanks to modern transportation and global interconnectedness. Diseases can now travel faster than ever before. The COVID-19 pandemic is a prime example of how quickly something can go from a localized outbreak to a global crisis. But the prediction for 2025 isn't just about the speed of transmission. It's also about how the world is currently unprepared for future pandemics. According to Gates, many countries and global health organizations still haven't built the systems necessary to prevent or mitigate large-scale outbreaks. While we've made progress in some areas, such as vaccines and treatments for certain diseases, we're still not as ready as we need to be for the next global health crisis. Additionally, climate change and human activity are creating new challenges. Changes in weather patterns, deforestation, and increased human-wildlife interaction are all contributing factors that make it easier for new diseases to emerge. Many experts believe that viruses that jump from animals to humans will become more frequent as a result of these changes. Now, the big question exactly, when will this pandemic hit? And what can we expect? According to the AAS predictions, the window for a major pandemic is projected to open around the year 2025. While it's difficult to pinpoint the exact month or day, the AI suggests that the global health community should start preparing for this possibility now, rather than waiting until it's too late. The AI also predicts that the disease in question will likely be caused by a virus that spreads quickly through human-to-human contact. This could be something similar to the flu, or it could be a completely new type of virus that hasn't been seen before. The key takeaway here is that we need to be prepared for something that could spread quickly and cause widespread disruption, just like COVID-19 did. But there's a glimmer of hope. Bill Gates is not just warning us about this potential crisis, he is also providing solutions. One of the most important things we can do is start building better healthcare infrastructure, especially in developing countries. In addition, we need to continue improving our surveillance systems to detect diseases early and prevent them from spreading. Investments in vaccines, treatments, and medical research are also crucial to reducing the impact of future pandemics. So, what can we, as individuals, do to prepare for a potential pandemic? The first step is to take the predictions seriously. We don't have to panic, but we should be aware of the risks and do what we can to protect ourselves and our families. Here are a few practical steps to prepare for a pandemic. Stay informed. Keep an eye on updates from credible sources like the World Health Organization, WHO, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC). These organizations are at the forefront of tracking potential outbreaks. Invest in health. Take care of your health by maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. A strong immune system will help you fight off potential infections. Create an emergency plan. Have a plan in place for your family in case of a health crisis. This might include stockpiling necessary supplies like food, water, and medications, as well as having a communication plan in case you need to stay at home. Practice hygiene. Continue practicing good hygiene, like washing your hands regularly, wearing masks in crowded areas, and maintaining social distance when necessary. These habits can help prevent the spread of diseases. Support global health initiatives. Advocate for better global health infrastructure and policies that focus on preventing pandemics. Supporting reputable causes that aim to help us be healthy and safe. Help fund research and initiatives to fight future health crises. In conclusion, Bill Gates' AI prediction about a potential pandemic in 2025 is not something to ignore. While we can't be certain about the exact timing, the data suggests that the risk is real. However, it's not all doom and gloom. With proper preparation, collaboration, and continued investment in global health, we can reduce the impact of future pandemics and ensure that we're ready when the next one comes. Remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed and taking proactive steps, we can help protect ourselves and our communities from the next global health crisis. The future may seem uncertain, but by acting today, we can make it a little more predictable and a lot safer for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos on important topics like this one. Stay safe and stay prepared. Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the Vault of Epic Facts channel.